एका मंत्र्यामध्ये आणि आपल्यामध्ये आशिल्ले काय गैरसमज पक्षान पयस केले.
That issue was within our myself and one minister, and incidentally we are belongs to the same party, and so after reaching this issue in the BJP office, BJP leaders, and accordingly we followed this issue with me, at least I followed this issue with the party president and other office bearers, and it's almost now resolved.
बाबूश आपलो इष्ट, गरज पडल्यार तो आपल्याकडे पैसे मागतलो आणि आपल्याक गरज पडल्यार हांवूय ताच्याकडे मागतलो. पयलीं आमी अशें करताले.
If I require money, if I just phone to Babush, Babush, I will need so much money today by evening. I know he will definitely send that much money to my house. And if anytime Babush requires money, he will not ask that in that way money. He could phone me and tell me, Mr. Markengar, please send me so much money by evening, and I will do that.
करप्शन सगळ्याक आसा, मात ताचेर कंट्रोल आसा. गोंयांत ताचेर कंट्रोल ना.
In all over India, not only in India, but I have seen in many foreign countries also, there they have the corruption level. Once I have been to South Africa, I was surprised. There is a huge corruption level, but it's under control. It is the duty of our head of the family and head of the state to monitor it and control it. That is what not happening here in Goa.
2027ची वेंचणूक बीजेपीच्या तिकेटीचेर लढोवपाची तयारी. पक्षान तिकेट दिली ना जाल्यार योग्य वेळार निर्णय घेतलो.
2027 इलेक्शनाक हांव 2027 रावन आय ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड मिटींग पीपल.
आनी तुमी खंयच्या पॉलिटिकल बॅनराचेर रावपाचे आहा?
Right now I am in BJP, and my family and my supporters tells me this time also I should contest on the BJP only, because I was in the BJP and people want I to be in BJP. If not BJP, then I will think over.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकार.